Hey there, everybody. It's your girl Nadia, and I am bringing you a bicep workout. So let's grab those weights and get it started. Simple curl. Curl and lower. You got it. Curl and lower. Come on. Curl and lower. Nice and simple. We got only 2 moves. And let me give you a hand. They're both curls. You got it. We're gonna keep it really simple just to get that bicep pump on today. Another 15 seconds. Come on. Try to keep your back long and avoid swinging those weights. You can use the same weight on the next move or drop one. Coming up in 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna drop one because I'm using 15 pounders, yo. We're gonna pulse. Palms facing one another. So you got a little hammer style curl. Here's what it looks like from the side. Put a slight bend in your knee. Try to keep your elbows about by the side of your torso or slightly in front. My arms are about to feel done in about 1.5 minutes total. We got another 15 seconds of this pulse, and then we go back to your curl. Hold that torso still. I see you out there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab that other weight. Remember, you can always drop set. Here we go. We're gonna curl and bring it down. I'm gonna alternate because my arms are starting to feel dead here. This is a good trick for anybody who wants to keep going, but you only have 1 set of weights and you're hitting that fatigue level. Good, keep it going. Don't forget to breathe. Oxygen is a great fuel for your muscles. And I can tell you that safely as an asthmatic. You're almost there. Last 4, 3, 2. Let's go back to that pulse. And I'm gonna take that pulse a little bit lower this time, about hip level. Try to keep your shoulders down because they're going to want to start rotating forward. Don't let them. You want to add a little element of instability? Drop one knee. Make sure both hips are square to the wall in front of you. Come on, keep it going. Another 10 seconds. I'm laughing because I want to cry. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's grab that other weight. I'm gonna stay kneeling this time because that adds another element of core stabilization. You can do 2 curls at once. That means using both arms, or do one at a time. So fun fact, I only own 1 set of dumbbells. It's a 15 pounder. Not my ultimate choice for bicep curls all the time, but guess what? I can do it. Because I probably carry that amount every single day in, like, let's say groceries or the pot on the stove. Woo! You got this. 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab that second weight. You're either standing or half kneeling. I think I gotta switch legs. There we go. I accidentally synced my breath with the music. Don't do that. You want nice, strong, long breaths, especially when you're pulsing. I'm trying not to make my ugly, angry face. It's getting real hard right now. Last 15 seconds, we're almost there. My arms are gonna look amazing for the next few days. Almost there, come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Arms are jello right now. Let's see that bicep curl. Woo! That's what's up, right? If you like this workout, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.
Don't forget to hit the bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video. I'm all about those short workouts that you can do anywhere. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.